Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an expression 3 divided 1 by 30 times 30. So let's start with today's video solution. In this type of question, people solve it like this. They divided 3 with 30, 10 and they reached at the answer 3, which is wrong because they even read the question wrong. 3 divided 1 by 30, not 3 divided 30. In case of 3 divided 30, you will write it like this and then solve it to 1 by 10. But in case of 3 divided 1 by 30, it means 3 and you have to convert the sign change into multiplication and reciprocal it. So it becomes 90, not 1 by 10. So 3 divided 1 by 30 times 30. So it is, this part is 90 times and then 30, which is equals to 2700. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.